We will now proceed to the sacking ceremony of our two representatives. So, help me welcome on stage our Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan 2026 and Miss Universe Philippines San Carlos City Pangasinan. How about a big round of applause, please? How about a big hand, please? Everybody, how about a big hand? Thank you. Thank you, sir, for being supportive.
Pasabog si Jen. Yes. One more year. One more. Thank you.
Alright, we're done? Okay.
And Carino Albania, San Carlos City, Pangasinan.
Donna Rain Dugi, Pangasinan.
Na trivia na gusto mong i-share sa buong pageant world.
So, first of all, actually, the three is not enough. Oh, sorry. I am a working student pursuing Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. At the same time, I am also a businesswoman and a youth leader. I serve as an SK chairperson in our community. And also, I'm a full-time international virtual assistant. But because of Miss Universe, since this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, as a dream for me, I actually just dropped everything for now, or just to focus on this competition. And one thing that I wanted to share to the whole universe is that I came from a very humble family and humble beginning. When I was a child, I usually helped my father work and clean buses and swipe I help my father wash buses and also help my aunties and mama to weave bamboo baskets so that we will have something in our table and also to pursue our studies with my siblings and sisters.
Magkano kinita mo nung kuhugas ka ng
Actually po, parang tumutulong lang po talaga ako sa father ko before. Actually, it's my late father. Namatay na po siya way back. So, one thing na nakakapanghinayang is that we weren't able to share the success that we have right now since siya po yung talagang nagtaguyod. Siyempre, pati po yung mother ko.
How young are you?
I'm 24.
24. Thank you.
Thank you.
And may isa pa akong question ha. Kay ano naman tayo? Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan. 3 interesting facts na gusto mong i-share sa atin.
Okay, very interesting fact. When I was a kid, I used to be very boyish. Yeah, I always say this. I know every street game, even up until now. It is something that I will forever cherish, being a street kid. So it is saddening that the children today didn't have the opportunity and the chance to experience it because it is something that they will forever cherish and it will last a lifetime. And then ever since when I was a child, I used to be very shy, very timid and afraid. I wasn't expecting actually that I will become a beauty queen. And a lot of people also cannot believe that I'm competing in Miss Universe Pangasinan now. And we are a family of 9, and I have 5 sisters. So we share the first name. We are all Donna in the family.
Doon na rin ako.
And last, I love cooking. Yeah, I love cooking. Every time that we have a birthday party in our compound, they always call me to cook something for them.
How old are you, girl?
I'm 24.
24. Sabi nga natin, di ba, Pangasinan ang galing. Aside sa pagiging magaling ng isang Pangasinense, what trait of being a Pangasinense would you like to bring sa Miss Universe Philippines competition?
Beside Pangasinan ang galing, I think it should be Pangasinan ang ganda mo, right, Doc? Pangasinan ang ganda mo, yes. Because beside of the sceneries that we have in Pangasinan, I can truly say that Pangasinan is truly Masante, which means beautiful. Because they contribute to the preservation of our history and to represent the pride of our culture. And this is something that I want to bring in the national stage to showcase that Pangasinan, we have so much to offer. And I'm very excited that the universe will see the best of Pangasinan.
Yes. How about you, Miss San Carlos?
I think it would be the same. Pangasinan ang ganda. Of course, aside from our beautiful beach and also with the products and being known for the salt-making capital of the Philippines, and also as I represent San Carlos City, which is the mango bamboo capital of the Philippines, I wanted to show as well to the whole universe that we are not just known for all of the culture and history, but the people, of course, because me as a simple, I'm a very hardworking woman, at the same time resilient, and also embodying the heart of a modern Filipino right now.
Last question, one explanation ha. Would like to ask, sino favorite Miss Universe Philippines ninyo or Miss Universe winner? Who's your favorite Miss Universe winner ng Miss Universe Philippines o Miss Universe?
For me, it would be our Queen Catriona Gray, and I have his stylist, her stylist, which is Sir Patrick Henry.
Wow.
Yeah.
Me is, of course, Miss Pia Words back.
Ay,
Thank you so much. Alam mo kung mukha mo si Cara Subihano, Miss World Philippines 1994.
Thank you so much.
And then yung anak niya, makakalaban nyo rin si Ash Subihano.
Tumukha mo din si,
What a
ano,
trivia.